So you may have seen me post a recipe of the Tom Brown creme brulee, which I created. And you might be wondering what Tom Brown is. It is this porridge that I grew up eating a lot for breakfast. And basically what I'm doing in this video is trying to find a way to make it a bit more savory, so without sugar at all. And so this is my version of a savory breakfast Tom Brown. So what I started with was a quarter cup of the Tom Brown powder. Now Tom Brown contains millet and some legumes like soybeans, super nutritious. So basically 1/4 cup of that, and then I added about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and basically the liquid, it can be water, but I find that milk makes it richer. So what I did was a ratio of 1:4, so I did 1/4 cup of the Tom Brown, so 1 cup of the milk. Basically what I'm shooting for is a relatively thicker consistency. So if you want your Tom Brown to be a bit lighter, you're definitely going to have to add more water or liquid base, whatever that is. I'm thinking of experimenting with heavy cream next time, just to even make it richer. There's just something about having that fatty consistency. So I'm going to try that the next time. But basically, once you do this, you're going to stir continuously because you don't want any lumps in your Tom Brown. So stir rigorously, especially at the beginning, and continue stirring. You can stir for about like 5 to 10 minutes. I think I was kind of around the 5-minute mark. But basically, once you get that thick consistency, which is what I'm showing you right here, that's pretty much telling you that you are good to go. And going on, I decided to add this easy poached egg recipe. Is my favorite recipe. So basically you have some water, just add a bit of salt, and then put in some vinegar. Here I'm using apple cider vinegar. You don't want too much vinegar, but you want enough so that your egg can coagulate. And so I'm adding just a small amount. Honestly, this will be about 1 tablespoon. And once it starts simmering, boiling just a bit, you can just crack your egg and allow it to cook. I will say this probably cooked for about 5 minutes. Honestly, just keep your eye on it, depending on how watery you want it to be. You also don't want it to harden. You want to be able to just like break your egg, because that's the exciting thing about poached egg. So yeah, cook it for about 5 minutes, I'll say, and then once it's ready, you can take it out and put it on your Tom Brown. Now the good thing about having the thicker consistency is that your egg can just lay beautifully on the Tom Brown like so. And now you can crack your yolk. Hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe. I have more videos coming up, especially plantain based recipes, which I know you would totally adore. See you next time.